Good morning, my dear children. Today we have to start a new lesson, Unit 5 Economic Sources. Before starting the lesson, I will show you some pictures. Children, do you know all these occupations? These are commonly called as economic activities, right? Then, what is meant by economic activities? Those activities which can generate income are called economic activities. Economic activities can be classified into three types. First one is primary sector, second one is secondary sector, and third one is tertiary sector. From this picture, we can see that some of them are related to agriculture sector, some of them are related to industrial sector, and some of them are related to service sector. According to the nature of occupation, primary sector also called agriculture sector, secondary sector also called industrial sector, and tertiary sector also called service sector. Children, let's go through in detail about these sectors. We all know that there are three types of sectors: primary sector or agriculture sector, secondary sector or industrial sector, and tertiary sector or service sector. The first one is primary sector. The sector involving activities making direct use of natural resources is called primary sector, which means the sector involving activities. These activities which can make direct use of natural resources is called primary sector. As activities related to agriculture form a major part of it, so it can called agriculture sector. The next one is secondary sector. There are economic activities that manufacture goods making use of the products of primary sector as the raw material. Such activities fall under the secondary sector. What does it mean? Those activities or those products which can be making use of the products or raw materials of primary sector, those activities fall under the secondary sector. As it gives more importance to industrial activities, so it is also called industrial sector. The last one is service sector. Service sector collects and distribute products of primary and secondary sectors. In addition to this, service sector include education, transport, banking, IT, etc. Tertiary sector includes all services, so it is called service sector. Economic growths take place when primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors function as a whole. For example, the raw cotton, which means cotton cultivation, is a product of primary sector, right? Cotton is a product of primary sector. Is a raw material to the textile industry. Is a raw material to the textile industry, which means the product of primary sector is used for the raw material to the textile industry. The last, the service of transport and communication are essential for supplying this product. So we can see that there are interdependency among these three sectors. Once again, the product of primary sector is used for the raw material of secondary sector, and the finished product of secondary sector is used for again tertiary sector for transportation. Clear? Central Statistical Office, which means CSO, has classified the economic activities including in the primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors. We can see three boxes: primary sector, agriculture and allied activities, forestry, fishing, mining, etc. In the secondary sector, there are industry, generation of electricity, building construction, etc. And in the tertiary sector, trade, transport, hotel, communication, procurement, banking, insurance, business, real estate, social service, etc. After that, we can see a box, Central Statistical Office. What is mean by Central Statistical Office? They classify the economic activities in primary, secondary and tertiary sectors, right? Which means an institution that works under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. What are the important functions of Central Statistical Office? Which coordinate and analysis data, collect data of all sectors and process it for planning purpose, and estimate national income using these data. Children, pause the video and classify those economic activities under primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. I think everyone got the idea about today's topic. This is all for today. Everyone should do the activity which I have given to you before the class time. Children, this is all for today. Thank you.